Hi, first year students. Today we shall discuss about the chapter number 2, the collection of data. The collection of data. Today, in the collection of data, we have to study the methods of collection of primary data. In the previous period, we have understood the meaning of what are the types of statistical data. There are two methods. One is primary data, another one is secondary data. Today we have to study what do you mean the primary data or primary methods of primary data or methods of collection of primary data. What are the how you can collect the methods in the through the primary data. In primary data, collection of data is there are three methods. Methods of collection of primary data. They are three methods. One is personal interviews. One is personal interviews. Second one is mailing questionnaires. To mail the list of questions. Mailing questionnaires. Second methods of primary data is mailing questionnaires. Third, that is very important, telephone interviews. Hello, how are you? That is telephone interviews. These are the three methods in the primary collection of data. One is personal interview. Second one is mailing questionnaires. Third one is telephone interviews. What is personal interviews? Do understand what is personal interviews? You see that what do you mean personal interview? The collection of data. What collection? Data. The collection of data by the investigator. The collection of data by the investigator through face-to-face contact by the respondent is called personal interview. It is called as the personal interview. What is personal interview? The collection of data by the investigator. The collection of data by the investigator through the face-to-face conducted by the respondent is called personal interview. It is called as the personal interview. I given a simple example. There is two persons. It is my own picture. You should understand by this picture. The person who is respondent, this person who is investigator, they are face-to-face contact. They are face-to-face contact by the respondent and the investigator. They are distance because of this day, today, the day of Corona. They are maintaining social distance. So they are away from each other. They are maintaining social distance. But the investigator investing by the respondent, he asking the questions. Which is the name of this place? What is your name? How many people? What is the ratio of the people in this area? What are the applications of this area? How many houses are in this area? How many voters are in this area? How many people poor in this area? How many riches in this area? He is investigating to this person. This person is respondent. Respondent, he replying for his question. What he asked, he replying. His answer, his questions. He is called respondent. He is the investigator. It is called personal interview. They are facing page to page. Conduct by the respondent is called personal interview. What is personal interview? The collection of data by the investigator through the page to page by the respondent is called personal interview. This is called a personal interview. And what are the advantages of the primary data? Primary data. There are advantages by the personal interview. Advantages of the personal interviews. The first advantages of personal interviews, it is very flexibility. Flexibility means adjustments. The first advantages from the primary data or personal interview advantages is the flexibility. Second advantages of personal interviews, collection of supplementary information. There is one more advantages, the collection of supplementary informations. Whatever you need, one more information, that is supplementary information. And third, it is an opportunity to investigator to get the answer directly. It is an opportunity to the investigator to get the direct answer from the respondent. They are page to page conducting this survey or collecting the data. They are get the directly answer. And the third advantages of personal interview is it avoids misunderstanding. They are direct. It avoids misunderstandings and misinterpretation. It avoids misunderstanding and misinterpretation. These are the 4 advantages by the personal interview. Even these are merits or advantages, but there is some disadvantages also there. What are these disadvantages? The first disadvantages of personal interview is it is very costly. It is very costly. You go the way Bangalore to Bombay, Bombay to Bangalore, Pune to Bombay, Pune to this city is Adani. The transport cost and the lunch, meal, tea, coffee, there are number of costs arises. So it is very costly. This is one of the costly disadvantages. Second one is This takes more time consumptions. For the personal interview, it takes more times. So, more time consumptions. More times for going and coming. It takes lot of times or more times. This is the disadvantages of personal interview. And third disadvantage is possibility of influencing respondents. The third one is possibility of influencing respondent. This is also the third disadvantages of personal interview. So, you better understand the meaning of what are the methods of collection of primary data. There are three methods. One is personal interview, second one is making questionnaires, third one is telephone interviews. I given the definition of what is personal interview, give the meanings, and what are the advantages and disadvantages of the personal interviews in the primary collection of data. So you have to keep remember till examinations. You write when your question is in the test, you have to answer. Thank you.